Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to make a tiny heart. You're going to start off by making a magic circle. To do this, you're going to wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this, okay, making an X in the process, okay. Once you've done this, turn your fingers over and we're working with these two bits. Stick your crochet underneath the first one and pull up a loop from here. Make sure this is nice and loose because we are going to pull up another loop and pull it through this hole, okay, through this loop. Tighten it and that makes your magic circle like this. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so from here we're going to start by chaining 3, okay. So go ahead, chain 3. So you're going to yarn over your crochet, pull through, that's 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, that's 2, yarn over, and pull up a loop, that's 3. Chain 3. We're going to follow this with a treble crochet. So to do a treble, you're going to yarn over your crochet twice like this, okay. And we're going to go straight into the magic circle and pull up a loop. When you do this, you will see that there are 4 bits of yarn on top of your crochet. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Okay, now you should be left with 3 bits. So we're going to yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. And for the last time, we're going to yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. We're going to repeat this 2 more times to make the total count of treble crochets to 3. Okay, so go around your crochet twice, go into the magic circle and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and finally yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, one last time, last treble crochet here, yarn over your crochet twice, go into the magic circle and pull up a loop like this. Yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over, the next 2, and last 2 done as well. Okay, so in our circle we should have chain 3 and 3 treble crochets. Now we're going to follow this with 3 double crochets. So to do a double, you're going to yarn over only once on your crochet like this. 1, go into the loop, into the circle, pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over. You're going to have 3 bits of yarn on top of your crochet. So yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the next 2 as well. Okay, we would like 2 more of those. So let's do those. Yarn over your crochet, go into the magic circle, pull up a loop. When you've got 3 bits here, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and yarn over again and pull through the next 2. One more time, guys. Yarn over, into the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Now we're going to chain 1. So yarn over, pull through the loop, and that makes chain 1. From here, we're going to do 1 treble crochet. So remember, to do a treble, you're going to go around your crochet twice like this. Into the circle we go, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and finally yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, now we are going to follow this with 3 double crochets. Okay, so yarn over, into the same circle again, pull up a loop, and that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 1 last one. So to make the total count of double crochets, 3 this time, 3. Okay, we are going to do 3 trebles in the same space here now. Yarn over twice, into the circle, pull up a loop. That's 1. 2. and 3. We're going to do chain 3 now. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do a slip stitch into the same circle. So make this, so you take your crochet into the circle, pull up a loop, and this loop, make it go through the first chain, okay? And that makes a slip stitch. Now to finish the heart off, we are going to tighten our magic circle, okay? So before we do this, let's finish this off. So the yarn that you've got on your crochet, pull a little bit more like this, and you can go ahead and snip your yarn off. So pull it through the loop and tighten it. There we go. Okay. Now to complete this heart, we are going to pull the magic circle close. Okay. And once you've closed that off, pull it nice and tight so it just closes the whole space up, so we don't have any gaps in the center, and that makes your heart. The 2 bits of yarn that you have, make sure that you knot this together, and this will ensure that your magic circle stays closed and heart looks perfect like this. There we go. And that is your tiny little heart complete. If you enjoyed making this with me, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.